Hi, and welcome to the Yoruba language. Báwo, káàbọ̀ sí èdè Yoruba. This is Learn Yoruba in one day. Èyí ni kíkọ́ èdè Yoruba ní ọjọ́ kan. My name is Tosin and I am your teacher. Orúkọ mi ni Tosin, èmi dẹ̀ ni olùkọ́ ẹ. I'd like to say a very big thank you for picking this course. Màá fẹ́ sọ ó ṣé púpọ̀ pé o mú ẹ̀kọ́ yìí. This is the beginning of speaking and understanding Yoruba. Èyí ni ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ sísọ àti òye Yoruba. Now, a brief overview of the course, the lessons, and what to expect. This is a Yoruba language course for English speakers taught by a Yoruba native by birth and by experience. Me, obviously. This course is named Learn Yoruba in one day. I know, that's got you raising your eyebrows and you're thinking, that's impossible. But the truth is, in any language, if you can learn the basics from numbers to alphabets, nouns, verbs, and roughly about 1,000 words, surprise, surprise, you've learned the language. And you've done all of that in just one day. Then the ball is left in your court to practice, 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 and practice. So this course will definitely be covering alphabets, numbers, nouns, words, about 1,000 of them, how to read the clock, how to greet, how to pronounce words properly, and the accents. This is the most important part of the Yoruba language. This course will teach you how to speak the Yoruba language with the right accents, intonations, and inflections. Now, with the ball in your court, practice is up to you. I would advise you practice as frequently as possible. My recommendation will be 3 to 4 times a week where you can. And if your time does not allow for that, try to make sure at least once a week you practice the language by speaking it, by listening to it, whether it's the music, whether it's in the movies, or whether it's a radio podcast. There's not a lot of them going on right now. We'll probably be making a podcast in the nearest future. In conclusion, and as we begin, I'd like to ask that you please embrace the Shoshin concept of Zen Buddhism, which is to approach things with the humility of a beginner. Let's jump right in. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we'll be tackling vowels. As we know, this is a Yoruba course for English-speaking individuals. So vowels are alphabets that are not consonants, and the vowels in the Yoruba language are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. But before we dive into the vowels in the Yoruba language, remember, you have homework. I didn't forget. I wanted to see if you remembered that you had homework. So would you like to tell me how many alphabets we have in the Yoruba language? Do you remember? 25. Fantastic. Fantastic. There are 25 alphabets in the Yoruba language, and I gave you a few alphabets to practice. So I'd like to hear you, obviously. I'd like you to practice them now without looking at the alphabets. There was A, E, B, Sh, B, O. Wasn't it? A, E, B, Sh, B, O. Fantastic. So the vowels in the Yoruba language, if you look through the alphabets, you just pick out the vowels that are not consonants. So you have A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels in the Yoruba language. A, E, I, O, U. So I like to do this together with the alphabets. So alphabets in the Yoruba language are A, B, D, A, F, G, B. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, W, Y. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. If you add some rhythm to it, it helps you remember it. A, E, I, O, U. Alphabets A, B, D, A, F, G, B. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, W, Y. Those are the vowels in the Yoruba language. Moving on now to the next lesson.